Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install this Glacier Bay 6-spray shower head. Let's do it. This is my old shower head and the adjuster or the switch is broken. It doesn't work at all. Let me show you. See that? The switch won't switch the shower head to different mode and it's totally broke, so I have to replace this. Here's the new Glacier Bay 6-function shower kit I bought. Let's open the box and take a look what's inside. Here's the chrome shower head. It has 6 different functions, and you can turn that to change to different mode, and it's pretty cool. It also comes with the 60 inches long hose. After you open it up, make sure you check on both ends if the rubber seal is there. Sometimes they come without rubber seal and you have to return it. Make sure you check both ends, okay? Next is the installation manual or the user guide. It's just very simple and most of the detail are common sense, but if you want to read it, read it. The last piece is the wall mount bracket, and make sure you check the seal inside, okay? If any of the rubber seal is missing and the water will spray everywhere. Last but not the least, include the plumber tape. Let's take out the old broken shower head. First, I will remove the shower hose, then attach to the wall mount bracket, which make it easier for the bracket to come off. Next, I use a wrench to turn the bracket counterclockwise with the other hand holding the pipe. The reason that I use one hand to hold the pipe while I'm turning because I don't want to damage the pipe by turning it inside the wall, and which may cause a leak inside the wall. And it will be a big problem to fix. So remember that one hand holding the pipe while you make the turns. Next, I got some plumber tape which I have left over from my previous use, and I start wrapping around the thread of the pipe, and I make sure it's tight, and I do like 4 to 5 turns before I tear it off. Now it's time to put in the wall mount bracket of the Glacier Bay. Turn clockwise until you can't turn anymore, and then use same way, use the other hand, hold the pipe and turn clockwise until it's fully tight. But don't over tighten it or you may damage the rubber seal inside, which may cause water leak. Next, attach one end of the shower hose to the wall mount bracket, turning clockwise, and then the other hand, you turn it clockwise also, attached to the handheld shower head. Take a look of the handheld shower head. It's chrome and the finish looks pretty good. Alright, and double check everything is tight and secure. And here you are, the complete installation of the Glacier Bay 6-way handheld shower head. Alright. Here are the 6 different spray patterns of the shower head. Last, very important, check for any water leak. Alright, I don't see any leak. It's all good. Alright, here you go. That's the 6-function Glacier Bay shower head kit. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. Thank you.